Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to stream on Kick using OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to kick.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials to access your account. After logging in successfully, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Creator Dashboard. This will take you to the main control center where you can manage all your streaming settings and configurations. Once you're inside the Creator Dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll need to click on Stream URL and Key. This section contains the essential information you'll need to connect OBS to your Kick account, so it's a crucial part of the setup process. Navigate to where it says Stream Key, and right beside it you'll see an eye icon. Click on this icon to reveal your stream key, but don't worry, Kick takes security seriously here. A security check will pop up on your screen, prompting you to verify your identity. At this point, go to your email inbox and look for a message from Kick containing a 6-digit verification code. Copy this code from your email. Now go back to Kick and paste the 6-digit code you just copied into the verification field. This step ensures that only you can access your sensitive streaming information. Once verified, you'll see your stream key displayed. On the right side of the stream key, click the copy icon to copy it to your clipboard. You'll need this in just a moment. Now go ahead and open your OBS app. In the upper left corner of OBS, click on File, and from the menu that appears, select Settings. This opens up the configuration window where you'll connect OBS to Kick. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Stream. This is where you'll input all the connection details. Navigate to Service at the top, and right beside it, click the drop-down menu. From the list, select Custom. This allows you to manually enter Kick's streaming server information, since Kick might not be listed as a default option in OBS. Next, navigate to Stream Key, and right beside it, paste the stream key you copied earlier from Kick. Now go back to your Kick page in the web browser and copy the stream URL at the top by clicking the copy button on the right side. Head back to OBS and paste this URL into the server text field. This establishes the connection between OBS and your Kick channel. While you're still in the settings, click on Audio in the left panel. This is where you'll configure your audio sources for the stream. Navigate to Desktop Audio, click the drop-down menu right beside it, and select your preferred device from the list. This will capture all the audio playing from your computer, including game sounds and music. Below that, navigate to Mic/Auxiliary Audio, click the drop-down menu, and select your preferred microphone device from the list. This ensures your voice will be captured during the stream. Once you've configured your audio settings, click Apply in the bottom right, and then click OK to save your changes and close the settings window. Now it's time to add your game capture source. In the bottom left of OBS, navigate to Sources, then click the plus icon. From the list that appears, select Game Capture, then click OK. A new window will open where you can configure this source. Navigate to Mode, and right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select Capture Specific Window. This gives you precise control over which game window OBS will capture. Navigate to Window, click the drop-down menu right beside it, and select your specific game from the list. Once selected, click OK to add the game capture to your scene. Next, you'll want to add your webcam so viewers can see you while you stream. In the bottom left, click the plus icon again, and this time select Video Capture Device. A prompt will appear asking you to name this source. For example, type webcam, then click OK. In the device drop-down at the top of the next window, choose your webcam from the available options, then click OK. Your webcam feed will now appear on your scene. You can resize your webcam by dragging the corners and position it wherever you prefer on your screen layout. Finally, once everything is set up and you're ready to go live, look at the right panel in OBS and click Start Streaming. Your stream will begin broadcasting to Kick, and you're all set to share your content with your audience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.